So I'm already being and tea. But you guys are just I'm gonna brush my teeth right now, empty. So and get back to you guys. Alright? Maybe you guys are listening. I'm not gonna leave it out for it. But yeah, good morning. Hi, Mom. What's up? So, guys, I'm walking to work right now. Hungry. Must have to wait until lunchtime to get something. Because if I should ever stop at Juicy, I might be late. So I'm just walking now. So yeah, guys, I'm currently on lunch. I'm here with Ryan. I'm having banana chips for lunch, and Ryan have Lay's. So just come to check in on you guys. I'm tired. I want to go home and sleep. You tired? You know, just come over. I'll let you get. So are you tired?
Never sleep. Your birthday?
Oh, it's son's birthday. So my plan party and supposed to give my cake tomorrow. Or else we can't come over. Ryan, be careful, belly.
You're not a big belly,
well, I don't have no big belly, you guys. Well, not really. Yeah, it's a boost me. So anyways, this is what we're doing, having lunch. And basically that. So the banana chips never owe me. So now go back inside. Where are you? So I'm going back inside to get something else to eat.
Hey, that's still make your face look down.
I just saw so yeah, I'm hungry, man. I'm hungry. Can't food, my hungry belly. I know all. Guys, I just ended up bought cheese bread and Minute Maid for lunch because the people in the canteen at work, they cannot cook, fam. They cannot cook. Cannot cook. So love cheese. So this is lunch actually. Finish off my lunch, go back to and do more work. Feel lazy though, but I don't know what to do right now. I know, say, I almost lost my ID. You know. So I couldn't get to go back into the building. But anyways, but I just want to tell you guys and things. So. I'm on my final break. And I tell her, look for me. I said to mom, go home. I want to sleep. I'm so tired. But anyways, but just really come check. So you know, it's Vlogmas. Come check it on alright. Because as you guys saw, I left you guys in my locker. I just want to ensure that you guys are alright. So I'm gonna just maybe buy some more snacks. Feeling hungry because as you guys saw, I didn't really eat anything today. So except foolishness. So I might just buy more snacks, munch and that until going home time. I have 2 more hours and then my shift finish. But yeah, so see you guys later. Alright, so I'm gonna put you guys back into my locker. So later, bye bye. Remember that Daniel?
Yeah.
So we're going home now. How far are you going? I'm near going. Yeah, where tomorrow?
No.
Oh, you get Sunday off. Well, I have work tomorrow, so I'll go home now. How was the day today, actually?
I mean, any day at work is a bad day.
You know what, that's awesome. Because sometimes you come to work, I can be a good day.
See you.
Sometimes, not all the time. So let's go. Come. Why you do work, man? This is wonderful.
I'm just on the internet because they're just...
Oh, you watch the Ace family?
Come in.
Yeah, come in. What's that? I can't know. All coming from the Ace family. The Ace family doing much see that. Oh, one of my subscribers, her name is ZD Brown, to say, your sister is cute. She said, Vlogmas, your sister and that guy is cute. And I tell her tongue.
Which guy?
Don't worry yourself. She said, you cute though.
Thank you.
I know me, I tell her. She tell her, that's my look on the camera.
No, girl. I'm too mad.
You know, I tell her tongue. Boy, you watch the Ace family. So you know the tongue?
Thank you.
You also this mom, they got video and they are asleep. My girl can't good. So what are you doing? Oh, you've been studying. That's wonderful. Skip it. Mom!
Anything wrong?
Of course.
Hello.
Where you say, yeah? Yeah. No, sir. But they say things from your car, you know.
The struggles. No. They let me talk.
Tell them again.
No, first, the light turn on and just bop. And then she have video and we are chat and I say, well, we are going to get some big things. And then it never that video.
So why you not go drive? Now you a big driver. She a big driver, no? She is a big driver.
Again, don't try to shame me.
So me can drive?
She's a big driver. Don't try to insult me.
So, they say, we're going to get KFC.
I look ready.
And she the one come. So.
You can't do it without me.
Yeah. Oh, guys. We have to do it in a, we have to do one Q&A. Me and I can do one Q&A. But, we can't
let's say life is low. Better.
Yeah, or if you want to know me and her, what's the difference? Or who know each other better. Something like that. But
you have to do that with like best friend and... we can't do it with you if me know you better, but well, Akim can come now and I do vlog too.
Yeah, Akim on bad charging. Hello man, what's my phone?
Our dirty Pops.
Pops, come here now. So guys, we'll just be covering now. So it's so festive. Ooh. It's on the ground floor. So this is Sovereign, like a mall here in Jamaica. Sovereign. Leave it an hour. Really? Oh, I see that.
You better, I'll be glad.
So, yeah, it's down. Mine, him. Not so them people. Them love. When I was small like them, I used to like it too, so. One day I must go back to that. And I'll go up and go back down. I wonder where's my forest at right now. pretty. Take a bit of water. So them have mixed already. Has my cannot taste cotton candy too. Well, I don't want this one. Okay. Which one you want? Anyone. I can taste the cotton candy. Excuse me. Do you like to taste cotton candy? Guys, we're trying to get the elevator and reach out with my father. So that's what we're gonna do. In this one, I'm gonna reach up to so we bought fries and stuff. She love follow me too. She buy the same thing like me. So yeah, so that's dinner, you guys. 3 piece alone, get 3 regular piece. How much money? No, so no want some? Like 3 piece. Guys, in the next few minutes here. What you looking at? Yeah, my food is finished. So just drink some water, wash it down, and start edit the vlog here. Upload it. I think, oh God, shouldn't I see it? Why put another water in?
No. Don't say that water.
You sure?
Yes. I'm not ready for you yet.
I thought you were going to ready for me. You need them somewhere. So I'm going to say, cause I have an early shift tomorrow, early. So I have to start a vlog here, upload it, so you guys can have it for today.
Tomorrow.
So remember to subscribe, as I said before, guys. I'm accepting donation to my PayPal. So like support my channel. The name will be right here. So you can just, it doesn't matter how much from you guys can contribute. I really do appreciate it. So I'll see you guys in Vlogmas tomorrow. Bye bye. Post notification starts now.